Optimism is in the air amidst the two big positive catalysts. 1. Hopes of US India trade deals. The Trump administration's softening stance may reduce tariff-related uncertainty. 2. Overnight, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq scales new record highs amidst softer-than-expected US PPI. The biggest positive catalyst, the street is anticipating that the Federal Reserve is likely to lower interest rates by a quarter percentage point at its 17 September FOMC meet and most importantly, the rate cuts likely to in each of this year's 3 remaining meetings. The street is positioning for a 50 basis points rate cut move and much will depend on this week's inflation outcomes. So, focus shall now shift towards the US Consumer Price Index to be wired on Thursday, 11 September at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Bottom line, Nifty's bullishness shall prevail on hopes possibly bigger Fed rate cuts from the Federal Reserve with immediate targets at Nifty to 5155 mark. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 116 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 5,004 crores. Bullish sentiments are likely to prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest some serious rebound play. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 and 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 10.54 levels. At last check, USD INR, September, slipped near 88.19. Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.13 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 0.99. Nifty outlook, Nifty risk-on theme is likely to prevail. We suspect robust rally ahead. The Gyan Mantra, stay bullish. Nifty, CMP to 4973. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 24,753 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 25,155 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,900 and 25,200. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 81425. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 80,900 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 82,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 81,108 to 100. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 54536. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 54,000 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 55,300 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 54,100 and 55,100. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. In yesterday's trade, Nifty traded in green all through the trading session but somehow failed to close above 25,000 mark. Sentiments were hit after reports that Trump has urged EU to impose tariffs of up to 100% on Indian and Chinese goods. Technically, Nifty is now above its 21 DMA to 4753 and its 100 DMA to 4833, but still below its 50 DMA to 4921, and most importantly, a tad below the psychological 25,000 mark. Our call of the day suggests a quieter but powerful bullish consolidation could be the preferred theme. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Shares of Avanti Feeds, plus 15.04%, and Apex Frozen, plus 16.33%, on the BSE in Wednesday's trade amid positive developments on trade talks with the United States, US. 2. Infosys continued to march higher, up 1.88% after the company announced that its board will meet on Thursday, 11 September 2025, to consider a proposal for buyback of fully paid-up equity shares of the company. 3. Mamta Machinery, plus 16.04%, gained after the company has secured its second export order for a 9-layer blown film plant under its co-extrusion product segment valued at approximately $1.17 million, around 9.7 crore rupees. 3. Mahindra & Mahindra slipped 2.49% amidst profit booking after the company reported a 15% year-on-year rise in exports for August 2025 at 3,575 units, while total sales declined 1% to 74,027 units during the same period. Interestingly, Oracle Financial, plus 10.12%, jumped after parents' upbeat cloud outlook. Oracle Incorporated stated that multi-cloud database revenue from Amazon, Google and Microsoft jumped 1,529% in the latest quarter, driven by strong demand for AI servers. The company also delivered an upbeat cloud outlook, with CEO Safra Catz highlighting multi-billion-dollar contracts signed with 3 customers in Q1 and noting rising demand for Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Technically, Fortis Healthcare and Apollo Hospital was signaling massive breakout on the upside on the daily charts. Bargain hunting was seen in defense stocks as HAL, plus 2.3%, BDL, plus 5.11%, and BAIL, plus 4.33%, ended on a positive note.